Right then, have you ever noticed when you're going along a road how many different types of street signs there are? Well, there's loads, aren't there? There's no entry, there's stop, there's things like give way, no stopping, this way only, and do you know what? They all have to be obeyed. Well, that gave me a great idea. How about making street signs for inside your house and tell everyone they have to be obeyed? How about this? Look at that. Beware, homework in progress, so keep out. Or what about this one? Look at that, that's more of a direction sign. My bedroom that way, the loo that way, so don't get mixed up. Or what about this? This is my favourite, this. Look at this. No whinging adults allowed. And you know what? They're very easy to make. Each sign is basically 3 pieces. You've got the coloured bit, you've got the white backing, and you've got the picture inside. See that? All separate bits. So you'll need 3 lots of thin card or thick paper in white, black, and blue or red, depending on which colour sign you're making. Now, I'm going to do, I think, my favourite one, the no whinging adults allowed. Now, to make the round shape of the sign, just draw a big circle onto your card, and I'm just going to draw around a nice big dinner plate for this, or you can use a compass if you like that, and then cut it out and do exactly the same on a piece of white card, so you have 2 circles like that, red and white, exactly the same size. Now, to create your red no entry stripe across the middle, just simply place a ruler across the middle of your circle like that, and just draw a stripe or a strip round your ruler like that. And to create the border around the edge of your circle, you'll need to draw around a slightly smaller plate, like that, or you can close your compasses if you're using the compass. And the idea is you want your border to be roughly about the same width as your stripe. Then, if you cut those 2 middle sections out, just there and there, you have your red sign that fits perfectly over your white backing, like that. Then draw your sign's picture onto some black paper or card. And I'm just going to use a white pencil for this. I'm just going to do a very simple cartoon of, yep, a whinging adult. Again, just make it very cartoony, very simple. You could even copy this from one of your favourite comics and do hands flailing about in the air, as whinging adults do. Hands everywhere. There we go. Very simple. And cut that out, so you have something that looks like that, and there I've done 2 of them. And then simply piece it all together. So there's the backing, and there's one of my whinging adults, and there's the other one. I'll just put the top on here, the stripe, like that. And when you're happy with all the position, just glue it down. And to give it a really professional finish and to make it nice and shiny like those real street signs, you could even cover it in sticky back plastic. See that shining away? And you hang it outside your bedroom door or wherever you like for all to see and obey. And you know, there are a lot of designs you could try. How about beware, I'm sleeping, so keep out? Or even no smelly trainers allowed. Good one for little brother or sister. Or how about my art area or homework area? Or maybe even the good old-fashioned beware of the dog. Or you could go really over the top and make a big one out of cardboard box card. Look at this. Beware, granny staying until further notice. Put that outside her room. Good day, a street sign that's inside your house that everyone must obey. Try it yourself. To make your indoor street sign, you'll need 3 pieces of different coloured card or stiff paper. For a round sign, draw a circle onto your card, and you can use a dinner plate or compass for this. Cut them out, then draw around a ruler across the circle. Use a smaller plate or close the compass a bit to draw a smaller circle inside your first circle. The border should be about the same width as the stripe. Carefully cut out the two middle sections and place onto the white card circle. Draw your sign's picture onto black card or paper and cut it out. Then simply put all the pieces together and stick them down. To give it a shiny finish like a real street sign, cover it with sticky back plastic.